Oh no, these are
nice birds.
Are these your birds?
They're mine.
They're insane.
That's close
Only in
enough,
Hollywood.
Rachel.
Hello. Hello.
Hey, they talk.
Oh, that's cute. Hello. 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 Pretty bird.
Say yes, I know I am. Shut up, lady.
Oh, I got one on me. Oh man.
Rachel, he's right there in your face.
Oh no.
Rachel has one.
Yeah, you are not. She's not as friendly.
I just wanted to see her eat the cow.
Oh, she'll just chew it up. Stand up. She'll hurt you.
Okay.
She's gonna fall. She's not behind you.
Look straight ahead there, Rachel.
Stand back up.
Okay.
Just make sure that she doesn't walk up.
There you go.
How long have you had birds for?
Since I was 12.
Beautiful.
Since I was 12.
I got a bird. I want it. Insane.
You trained him not to bite, didn't you?
Of course.
Okay, because I don't think he can have him
What's
here
this?
without
Of course.
bite.
Oh. Wow.
Hey, that's-
Yeah.
Oh, Kevin's got one on him.
I want to hold that one. Oh, hi.
Heather, look over there.
That is so cool.
Oh, there. Alan, look over here.
Turn. Wait, no. Turn. You go on that side because the sun. You go on the other side.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
There you go, Alan. Say hi to the camera, Alan.
Hi. And don't tell me he just pooped on me.
Oh, you did.
Hold that one like she did.
Yeah, this is why I don't. This is why I don't like.
Arm
birds.
level with your shoulder though. Why?
There you go.
Hi.
It just dries right off. Walk it off. 5 minutes after you
Why
get it.
Daisy do the bobbing thing?
She wants to feed you. She likes you. She's gonna regurgitate her food.
Yeah, just send the bird for me. Besides, it'd be good luck.
Now can I hold the big one?
That's pretty good. Kevin, that was good. That could be your reason.
Anything to help feed the birds, I work on tips.